Hi everyone, I'm Ellie Font, your friendly elephant news anchor from AI World News Network. Today, I'm going to show you something amazing. How to make money online with InVideo AI. So back that thing right up into a chair and listen to what I have to say. It's a tool that makes videos for you, and you can use those videos to earn cash as a side hustle or as your main source of income. You don't need to be a genius with computers or cameras, if I can do it. And I'm a fluffy elephant. You certainly can too. So let's get this party started. Okay, so what the heck is InVideo AI? Let's find out together. It's an AI tool that makes videos all by itself. You just tell it what you want. Like, I want a video about fluffy little cats, and it does the hard work. Then you can use those videos to make money. Cha-ching! You can put them on YouTube, or you can even sell them to someone. It's fun and really simple. And you don't need anything special, just a computer or even a phone. First, we need to join InVideo AI. Don't be scared. It's super easy. Here's what you do. And remember, you can always hit pause during this video. Click the link below to InVideo AI. It's located in the description. Press enter. Look at the screen. Find a button that says sign up. It's usually up high in the top right corner. Click on it with your mouse. Now you'll see a form. It wants your name. Type yours. Like I'd type Ellie Font. Now your email. That's where you get messages, like from your friends. Then make up a password, something easy to remember, like purple. 1, 2, 3. Then click the big button that says Create Account. Go check your email after. You will get an email from InVideo. Open it and click the link inside to prove it's you. That's it. You're in. Now let's make a video. This is the fun part. Here's how. Log in to InVideo AI with your email and password. You'll see a button that says Create Video or Start Generating. Click it. You need to tell it what video to make. This is called a prompt. Type something simple, like make a video about funny dancing elephants. You can write anything you like. Click, generate, and wait a little bit. InVideo AI will make the video for you. It picks pictures, adds music, and even talks if you want. When it's done, watch it. If you don't like something, like the colors or the voice, you can change it. There's a box to type stuff like make it louder or add more elephants. Play with it until you love it. When you're happy, click save or download. Now you got a video. Woohoo! And now we can go make some money. Here are some easy ways. You can put your video on YouTube. If lots of people watch it, they'll pay you for ads. You can make a free account. Just go to youtube.com. Click on the sign up button and follow the steps. Then upload your video with a fun name like Ellie's Purple Pole Dance Party. Or you can try affiliate marketing. This means you talk about stuff to buy in your video, like toys or clothes, and add a link. If people buy it, you get money. For example, talk about a cool elephant hat and share that link. You can even sell your videos. Some people want videos for their shops or pages but can't make them. You can say, hey, I'll make you a video for whatever price you choose to charge, and use InVideo AI to do it fast. Keep making more videos and you'll make more money. Wow! You're ready to be a video star? I've made it so easy for you. Just click the link below this video. It takes you to InVideo AI where you can sign up and start making money like I showed you. Don't wait. Click the link right now and let's do this together. You're going to love it.